articles.
The articles a, an, and the are determiners used before nouns and sometimes adjectives. A comes before singular nouns that begin with a consonant sound.
For example, a rat, a unit, a xylophone. An comes before singular nouns that begin with a vowel sound or a mute age. For example, an adult, an X-ray, an heiress.
A or an are indefinite articles.
We use them to speak of someone or something for the first time.
A and an are used with a noun in general.
For example, we have a test tomorrow.
Ved wants to be an umpire. The is a definite article used to point out a noun. The articles a, an, and the can be used before an adjective that comes before a noun. For example, our school has got a new captain. The new captain was elected last week. He is an intelligent boy.
We use the when a person, place, animal, or thing is mentioned a second time. For example, we have a test tomorrow. We want to do well in the test. We use the when it is clear which person, place, animal, or thing is being referred to. For example, we had 2 glass jars, a red one and an amber one. The amber jar was very expensive. We use the when there is only one such thing. For example, the moon, the sun, etc. We use the when naming a noun that refers to an entire group of its kind. For example, the whale is a mammal. We use the before ordinal numbers, before superlative adjectives. For example, the second seat in that row is mine. You are the best. We do not use the definite article the before names of games. We use the with the following proper nouns. Names of oceans. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Names of rivers and seas. The Ganges is a sacred river. Names of deserts. The Thar Desert is in western India. Names of landmarks. I live behind the fire station. Names of monuments. The Taj Mahal is an epitome of love. Names of natural wonders. The Niagara Falls are in North America. Names of places containing the word of. The United States of America is a democratic country. Names of places ending in plural s. The British Isles are a group of islands off the northwestern coast of Europe. Names of newspapers, magazines, and books. The Times of India is a popular English newspaper. Names of hotels and restaurants. The Land's End Hotel is near the shore. We do not use the with the following proper nouns:
The names of continents, streets, and most countries, names of lakes and mountains, names of days, months, and festivals, and names of people.